Sherman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm up, well watcher. I'm up, well watcher. I'm up, well watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be reviewing number 85 in my list of the 100 top traders. Now today we'll be looking at the holdings of the Bill Nygren and the Oakmark funds. Now using this strategy has put me in top 3% in the most recent CNBC tournament with returns of over 53%. You can also see how it's done for me in previous tournaments. And what we merely do is follow the holdings of the richest, most successful investors out there, and we find their holdings through these free websites. Then get an average analyst ranking through these free sites. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of August 21st, 2009. Now looking at Bill Nygren and the Oakmark funds, you can see all of his holdings at this time, and you can see that he has McDonald's and Abbott are the only ones that make it into the buy camp at this time, with ratings of moderate buy. You can also see all of his holdings that make it into the hold camp and sell camp at this time. So with that, let's go to the charts. Now first we look at McDonald's. Now it's currently been in a relatively flat trading range and is still sitting underneath all of its moving averages, so that would give quite a bit of upside resistance for this stock at this time. Stochastics is indicating a bit of a buy a while back, but you have a lot of resistance with its averages here and a pretty strong trend line here, so I'd say there's a lot of pressure in seeing this one move higher. As for Abbott, you can see that it's been in a relative downside, but had recent run-up of late and is now sitting just underneath its 100-day. Now if it's able to break through that, it could run all the way up to its 200-day before stalling out. So I would say there's more potential upside in Abbott at these times. So again, in review, the moderate buys are McDonald's and Abbott, and there are no strong buys at this time. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of August 21st, 2009. And if you'd like a more up-to-date readings on the holdings of Bill Nygren, you can go over to StockPicker and find his holdings, and then go over to these free websites to get an average analyst ranking. So, on to my disclaimer. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own shares of JP Morgan Chase at this time. So again, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time for I'm a Whale Watcher. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, creator of The Predatory Lender. Now, if the previous was a little too boring for you, try The Predatory Lender and join the predatory lending team as they go on their intergalactic adventures trying to hunt down the next great investment for you.